In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email from WordPress using SMTP. This straightforward process will help you ensure that your emails get delivered reliably, which is crucial for maintaining effective communication with your users. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the plugins section. You can find it on the left-hand side menu. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear. Click on Add New. This will take you to a page where you can search for new plugins by name. In the search bar on the top right corner, type WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. This is a crucial plugin that enables your site to send emails using SMTP, ensuring deliverability. You'll see it pop up on the list below. Next, click Install Now. This will begin the installation process of the WP Mail SMTP plugin. It may take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so just be patient. Once the plugin is installed, you'll see an option to activate it. Go ahead and click that. Activation enables the plugin and will make it available for you to configure. After activating the plugin, navigate back to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over WP Mail SMTP and click on Settings. This is where you configure how emails are sent from your site. The first field you'll configure is the From email. Here, enter the email address you want your WordPress emails to be sent from. It's important to use an email address associated with your domain to improve deliverability and avoid being flagged as spam. Following that, look for the From Name field. Enter the name you want to appear as the sender. This could be your website's name or perhaps the name of the person managing communications. It's up to you, but remember that this name will be visible to recipients, so choose something recognizable and professional. Next, you'll choose your preferred mailer. This is an important step. Different mailers can offer various features and benefits, so take a moment to decide which service aligns best with your needs. Once you've filled in the details and made your selections, it's time to save your settings. Look for the Save Settings button and click it. This will apply all your configurations. The final step is to send a test email. This is crucial as it verifies that everything is set up correctly. You'll find the option to send a test email within the same settings menu. Enter an email address where you can receive messages during this step. Be sure to check the inbox to see if the email arrived as expected. And that's it. You're now set up to send emails from WordPress using SMTP successfully. This setup not only enhances email deliverability, but also provides an added layer of reliability and trust for your communications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.